Net uzarger mazon bahet mamweza waqse verbet net uzarger mazon bahet mamweza waqse verbet mamweza waqse verbet keten des nagon penket al dam dis vanya verbet keten des nagon penket al dam dis vanya verbet net al dam dis vanya pa de zenle redin pep hanon net al dam dis vanya pa de zenle redin pep
Tá bhhargus meisicé agus fáte bríos go cean go ceilteach an seo ar CCTV a Cambridge, Massachusetts agus leanimid ráid leis an scéal Harry Potter agus an orchach agus an mréis Harry Potter a main ar athrónid agus so cacha mé an rud seo a dhéanamh agus mar sin oops tá mé sa gcónaí agus capital nua tá aghainn an iris thurmsca capital a cúig déag an iris thurmsca. Ní éadach an scéal a bheith níos measa. Thug filt síos iad go dtí seomra stáidir an ullmh na gcomagol ar an gcéad urlár at ar chuí siad ag fanacht gan focail rá lena chéile. Bhí Hermione ar crith, bhí leithscéalta agus almhíonna agus finscéalta gan dabhar ag grúthú trí intin Harry agus gach ceann acu níos lige ná chéile. Ní acha sé bealach ar bith as an achran. Bhí siad is sáin, nach iad a bhí amadach agus dearmid a déanamh den chlóca. Ní mar seans faoin spéir go nacha an talamh McGonagall le leithscéal ar bith agus iad a bheith ag rith thart faoin scáil in am marmh na híche, gan treacht a bheith thuas ar mhar an túr réaltaíochta a bhí costa ar Vic Lane taobh amach de na Reagna, chur Norbert agus an clochadorcha leis an méid sin agus bheadh sé chomá acu bheith ag pacail a gcuid málaí. I gcóid uig war thar-dhadig. Achai pethai ddim bod in wych. I filt an hu I ystafell ar Athro McGonagall ar a chláir cyntaf, chléir ystafell hu heb ingan gair. Crynnai Hermione, Huthri esgustion chresimai astoria quidú bai ar draws I gilydd drwy feddwl Harry. Pob un in fwy tila nar un cunt. Wel I ddim siwt medryn hu gael I traed in chrydd y tro hwn. Roedd yn hu wedi'r cornelai. Siwt medryn hu fod wedi bod mor hirt ag anghofio'r glogan, achlan o'i gweliau. In slefio o gwmpas yr ysgol gefn pyrfydd nos. In yr tŵr astroleg uchaf a oedd in waharddedig heblaw ar gyfer dosbarthiade. Ni fyddai'r Athro McGonagall in derbyn unrhyw reswm dros wneud un ohonynt. Pan ich wanigyd neris ar clygan an weledigwrydd doedd waith iddyn nhw ddechrau pacio bagiau ddim. Chapter 15. the Forbidden Forest. Things couldn't have been worse. Filch took them down to Professor McGonagall's study on the first floor where they sat and waited without saying a word to each other. Hermione was trembling. Excuses, alibis, and wild cover-up stories chased each other round Harry's brain, each more feeble than the last. He couldn't see how they were going to get out of trouble this time. They were cornered. How could they have been so stupid as to forget the cloak? There was no reason on earth that Professor McGonagall would accept for their being out of bed and creeping around the school in the dead of night, let alone for being up the tallest astronomy tower, which was out of bounds except for classes. And Norbert and the invisibility cloak, add Norbert and the invisibility cloak, and they might as well be packing their bags already. Má hiel Harry na bheithach an scéal bheith níos measa bhí dul muir, nuair tháinig an talamh McGonagall láthair bhí Neville lé réim lámha. A Harry a scirt Neville a lucha is a chonaic sé an bheirt eile, bhí mé gurí teacht ort le rauch a chuirt dit. Thula mé Malfoy grá go raibh sé hún brethort. Go raibh drag chuí Harry cheann go láidir mar thorcha do Neville bheith in chost, a chonaic an talamh McGonagall é. Níor thuisce Norbert ag sealadú tine orcú ná í hain, an chuí a raibh sí ag brathú anuas an trúr acu. Bheith Iliad Harry na achlai pethai ddim bod in waith, roid in anghuir. Pan im vangosol athro McGonagall, cudiai in nevid. Harry gwaidod nevid in minid igwelod I ddau arach. Roin un chwilio amdanochi ich rhwbuddio chi. Thuas in machlwyd in dweud I fod on mynd ich dahal hi. Roedd yn dweud fod gynnach chi dra. Is gwrdwodd Harry I ben in finnig I gai keg nevid, on roedd Athro McGonagall wedi gweld. Tursai o vain o tri an hynhw, gan edrych yn fw tebygol na neris o bori tan arnyn hw. Had Harry thought that things couldn't have been worse, he was wrong. When Professor McGonagall appeared, she was leading Neville. Harry, Neville burst out, the moment he saw the other two. I was trying to find you to warn you. I heard Malfoy saying he was going to catch you. He said you had a drag. Harry shook his head violently to shut Neville up, but Professor McGonagall had seen. She looked more likely to breathe fire than Norbert as she towered over the three of them. Frog Harry Sean go láidir mar a chorcha de Neville bheith ina chost, a chonaic an talamh McGonagall é, níor thuisce Norbert ag séadú tine orcú ná í hain, na chuí raibh sí ag brathú nuas an triúr acu. Ní hallaíonn le haon duine agah é. Deir Mr. Filch go raibh sibh thuas an túr réalteachta, tá sé haon a chlog maidin, cén miniú atá agah seo. Den héad uair na saol, ní raibh freaga ag Hermione heist múinteora. Bhí sé ag stanú a cuid slipéir, I chócúin le cloch. Tá tuair mhaith agam cad a bhí buan sa an talamh McGonagall, ní gá bheith chomh-cliste le sulamh le hé a ibriú amach. Thug sibh scéal áfaiseach éigean faoi ragan do Malfoy a géirí a tharraingt as a labha le go mbeadh sé I dribleoid. Tá beartha agam Hannah. Is dócha go síolann sibh gur cuid den bhreáin gur chúla langbadam an seo an scéal agus gur chreid seisin chomh Is gufud Harry I ben in vinnig in Firnig I guide keg nevid on roy their ather McGonagall wedi gweld. Tursathai o flying o tree an hunnen who gone edric in view in vui typical na neris o bori ran tan arnin who. Credun I bith I gachir een a honach chiich trí vod wedi gwneud I vath beth. Meir boner filch in dweud eich bod I funny in the tour astroleg. Een or gloch a bora, a glúrch. Dinner tro kintaf Ariad I Hermione vethai atab question gan ahru, sichlai I slippery in chlunydd vel delu. Mae gen I eicha syniad ar hyn sy wedi bod yn digwydd dwi'n meddwl meddair Athro McGonagall. Does dim rhaid bon yn athrylich fywetsosoch chi rhyw stori gywelyd goau am ddraig wrth drego machlwyd. I gestio I gael allan o wely ac y chwnt. Dwi wedi I ddael o'n barod. Mae'n debyg eich bod hi'n meddwl I bod hi'n ddoniol bod Llywelyn yn fan ma wedi clywed I stori ac wedi'r credu hi hefyd. I would never have believed it of any of you. Mr. Filch said you were up in the astronomy tower. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Explain yourselves. It was the first time Hermione had ever failed to answer a teacher's question. She was staring at her slippers, still as a statue. I think I've got a good idea of what's been going on, said Professor McGonagall. It doesn't take a genius to work it out. You fed Draco Malfoy some cock-and-bull story about a dragon, trying to get him out of bed and into trouble. I've already caught him. I suppose you think it's funny that Longbottom Heel heard the story and believed it too. Haring Harry Sewell Neville a Agiri a chur and Uldo gan fakul nakra firine bit and shin, Marvi kuma hoite, ronta Neville, Neville bocht na tuoplisha. Hook Harry do agus ag dul hart to dorchidus, a giri chakdor who agus either her a vehicle. Naira shib sen Tullib McGonagall. Kechra wach lane asalaba in ein ichawan, near hulame lechid read. Hume a Miss Granger gomech nismo kela agatsa. Agus majolatsa, Mr. Potter, hume gomech nismo mass agat Gryffindor. Criffer lawn and choragav fui huinal. Shad, tussa homa a Mr. Longbottom. Neil she cadache hunsa bith. A bheith ag siúl hart faoin scal san oíche, go mór na Celta seo, tá sé an hontóirteach, agus ban thar 5 pointe de Gryffindor. Cavarvi Harry ligaid nevid a hesio dweud wrtho heb arai nad oed hin in weir. A horwydd roedd golwg weddi'r sifrindani arno. Brifwyd I demladi, roedd hynny'n amlwg, nefyd drysgol, drin. Gwyddar Harry gymaint o imdrech, fi hi iddo gesio cael hyd iddyn nhw in y twylch i'w rhywbyddio. Dwi'n gwardi atachi meddair Athro McGonagall, pedwar disgwyl allan o'r gwelain mewn un noson. Hlywais I roedd faswn beth. Hi Yvonne Granger, roedden in meddwl fod gynnwch chi fyw o synwyr cyffredin. A hithau y Bonner Potter, roedden in meddwl fod cleriol in golygu mwy I chi na hyn. Cuspar trí a honach hí. Yeah, hí hefyd I bónar chwelyn. Dois dim byd in hor hal a chi Gerard o gwmpas isgol gefn nos. Un a bennig I ddyddiau hyn. Mae'n beriglis iawn. A chimmertir hanner kaint o varciau oddau I chlorelio. Harry caught Neville's eye and tried to tell him without words that this wasn't true, because Neville was looking stunned and hurt. Poor blundering Neville. Harry knew what it must have cost him to try and find them in the dark, to warn them. I'm disgusted, said Professor McGonagall. 4 students out of bed in one night. I've never heard of such a thing before. You, Miss Granger, I thought you had more sense. As for you, Mr. Potter, I thought Gryffindor meant more to you than this. All 3 of you will receive detention. Yes, you too, Mr. Longbottom. Nothing gives you the right to walk around the school at night, especially these days. It's very dangerous. And 50 points will be taken from Gryffindor. Cuige pointe sa Harry de Squoggle. Hafadish an chéad an ot a bhain sé hain amach dos sa glypha cuideach bailhéine. Cuige point an duine sa an tullabh McGonagall ag séadach go láidir trína chrón ada dhéir. Ach a olav de gheall an saoil leat, ní féidir leat. Ní saoil a rá lumsa cad is féidir nó nach féidir dhéanamh a Potter. Anish arás sa labba liv go léir, ní ra mé rih thónártha ag Mick de chuid Gryffindor. Cé go le puinte cáta, dag sin Gryffindor deire fad. In éanaí Hilwan, scrusú cibbe seanta bhí Gryffindor córan na ducha a bhóchan. Bhócaí Harry mar bheith aon tón tite as a ggóla, conas a dheofadis arás go dó an aird sin puinte. Hanner kaint ebechod Harry, bidden hun kachir vainord ieth, a vainoreth a inachlod intai in a game quidjach. Hanner kaint a varkie een medvair athro McGonagall, gan anadlian drum droyer churm here mine. Athro, please, vedruk he them. Nid ag lé chi in dweid urchah I chin an gachah né na achlav wneud, Potter. Elk in old ich gweliai. Bhí aird gemeint ó gewillid am arnav ó disgiblion chleriol. Cachli kaint ó hanner ó varkai. Cleriol vithain ola vechle. Noun een nosen worden hu wedi de vetha een hu obait odd gain cleriol o enich coupan itai. Temline Harry vel pater guailod wedi Sergio ois stumog. Shut medren hu bith need yaun am hin. 50, Harry gasped. They would lose the lead he'd won in the last Quidditch match. 50 points each, said Miss Professor McGonagall, breathing heavily through her long, pointed nose. You can't. Don't tell me what I can and can't do, Potter. Now get back to bed, all of you. I've never been more ashamed of Gryffindor students. 150 points lost. That put Gryffindor in last place. In one night, they'd ruined any chance Gryffindor had for the House Cup. Harry felt as though the bottom had dropped out of his stomach. How could they ever make up for this? Near hubble Harry nail and Icheshin. Hula sé Neville ag snagaracht. Quincha salaba fa fada galore. Nira ein aco a ri la Harry a chorcha solus do. Dachan sé go ra Neville a gála hain scanartha riv an lá bhí ag teach. Cad é deartha an chuid eile de Gryffindor nuair dheofadí semach cad é bhí genta acu. Lá ar na bharnach nuair bhí lucht Gryffindor ag dul hart leis na thorláistí móra a chuinniú cuntas ar fointí na ducha chial siad ar dús go rud déarmid an. Conas a bhidís céad is cuinte chuige puinte síos ó inné. Dúir chéile scap an scéal ba é Harry Potter. Harry Potter imráteach leich an dá go chuideach a hail na puintí go léir orthú é héin agus cúpla fleice eile de lucht na chéad bhliana. Thusgóid Harry bhim drua nós. Clúid nevid in baicheo crio iu ó benud am ar chin a imvangosai vel ore. Vedrai Harry bhim medal beth iu ddweid in iu gwisuro. Wyddai fod nevid vel intai in arswyddo rhag y wawr. Beth ddigwyddai pan glwysau gweddill i chlererolwr beth oedden nhw wedi wneud. I ddechrau credar chlererolwr a ai heddiw i'r awr wdrau anferth o gofnodi farciau tai dranach fod camgymeriad wedi digwydd. Sut medden nhw fod gaint a hanner o farciau yn high na ddoe. In eiche si ar led roedd Harry Potter enwog Harry Potter awr dwy game quidditch wedi cachlir hoch farciau iddyn nhw fo o ddau eled hirt arath o'r flwyddyn gyntaf. Harry didn't sleep all night. He could hear Neville sobbing into his pillow for what seemed like hours. Harry couldn't think of anything to say to comfort him. He knew Neville, like himself, was dreading the dawn. What would happen when the rest of Gryffindor found out what they'd done? At first, Gryffindors passing the giant hourglass that recorded the house points the next day thought there'd been a mistake. How could they suddenly have 150 points fewer than yesterday? And then the story started to spread. Harry Potter, the famous Harry Potter, their hero of 2 Quidditch matches, had lost him all those points. Him and a couple of other stupid first years. Agus inis, Níl Moran Amfaki Agwan. Major Pisabug Nismu. O bheith nadina ba wo chní agus uram sa scéal bhí Harry níos ar an té is mó rua grain air. Chiúntí Ravenclaw agus thucail puff céin in ai mar bhí gach duine ag trú go mór le Slytherin corn a ducha a chalú. Na bhuifiúd pethai Harry dros nos. And play bod in een bubble voyaf paboggaid ener guy I ed nigi in vour bechlach roid in kyle gasai vui na neb in ysgol. Road uffer puffer our craven brown or heed and oid and troy arno our honorod roid palb wedi bod and dichai amwald slavanog and kachlir Kumpan. From being one of the most popular and admired people at the school, Harry was suddenly the most hated. Even Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff turned on him because everyone had been longing to see Slytherin lose the House Cup. Agus na se carja níl éon an faci agam. Agus tá bé mé an I gan seachtainna na cúna dé agus tá songam go mééis sibh a féchant orm I gan seachtainna freisin. So leanam rá leis an scéal Harry Potter agus an orfach agus sláán inis sláán go fáil.
Et kuzarke mazon baed ma mweza wakse verbepet et kuzarke mazon baed ma mweza wakse verbepet ma mweza wakse verbepet ketendeis nagon penket al dam dizvanya verbet ketendeis nagon penket al dam dizvanya verbet et al dam dizvanya pa de zenere din pepanon et al dam dizvanya pa de zenere din pepa pa de zenere din pepa na ver kan nach hol dan an remwel redin van an na ver kan nach